lemon blueberry cheesecake dump cake. This is homemade cheesecake with blueberries and a cake topping. So good. Are you ready? Let's go. So you need to prepare a 9x13 pan. I'm using this disposable pan. I prepared it with my Pam baking spray like I always do. To your 9x13 pan, add 2 cans of blueberry pie filling. Back in the 80s, we used to make dump cakes all the time. In fact, I have a book of nothing but dump cakes. If I think about it, I'll show it to you guys. I'm sure you guys have seen the same dump cake book that I have. It's by Kathy somebody or other. I'll find the book and show it to you guys. So in this pan, just put 2 cans of blueberry pie filling. Now these disposable pans aren't really 9x13. I actually took a measuring tape and measured the inside of this one yesterday, and the inside is like 11. But it's not 9x13. The outside dimensions are probably 9x13, but it bevels in like this. So it is what it is. This is what I have to use. You need 2 blocks of softened cream cheese. Add 2 large eggs that have been at room temperature. You know, I didn't used to think that that would make a difference, but I've since learned that it does. And if you don't have eggs at room temperature, you can just set the egg in a glass of warm water to warm it up just a little bit. Add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix those all together until they're smooth, like that. Spread the cheesecake mixture all over the top of the blueberry mixture. I've told you guys I have trouble with corners, so that's why I always go to the corners first. Like that. You need 1 box of lemon cake mix and sprinkle it all over the top of the cheesecake mixture. Like that. Slice up 2 sticks of butter into small pats. Like that. Place the butter all over the top of the cake part. Like that. And now it has to bake in a 350-degree oven for 50 to 55 minutes. It might be a little bit more because this is pretty thick, so I'll keep an eye on it. It's in the oven. Bake at 350 for 50 to 55 minutes. I just took it out of the oven, and it's a little jiggly because that's that cheesecake layer. See, it's a little jiggly. But while it's still hot, I just want to put a tiny bit of sugar on top. It's still really hot. Look at that, the cheesecake. Let me see if I can get that out of the way. See the cheesecake? Wow, it's still really hot. Oh, that is so good. You guys need to make that. So good.